When I was just a little boy, my mama taught me this trick. When you lose your peace and your joy, there's a special place where your face can fit. You gotta stay